So when I started, I started at the base pay, moved up fairly quickly because I came in every day and I work hard, and you get bonuses I think it's every 3 months. It's based on how much you make, which is nice. And I mean, there's as much overtime as you want. If you want to come in every day, you can come in every day.
In the medical benefits, I enjoy the health care and the benefits with the steel toe shoes and things of that nature. Quite a few benefits. A lot of a lot of incentives for the people who want to work.
Our pay raises, I believe, come like once a year. There's a lot of jobs. They do an annual review of your work and attendance and things like that, and that goes towards your pay raise. However, we do get the quarterly bonuses throughout the company, and those are really beneficial. And again, that comes again with your attendance, because if you work more hours, then the bonus is a little bigger than someone who worked less hours. But they're definitely very beneficial.
There's a lot of opportunity for growth, like when you first start, and even now there's more opportunity for growth. But the wages are good, the wages are competitive, and since I've started here, I've done nothing but grow.
In the 2 years that I've been here, I've gotten 3 pay raises, moved up, promoted. You get a bonus, I believe, 4 times a year. Always willing to train and move you up the ladder.
I've been compensated well for what I do. I know upper management is very focused on making sure that people are compensated. In a management position myself, it's a pretty consistent discussion, making sure that we're paying above industry, trying to retain talent and make sure people are taken care of. The benefits, everything is available to anyone. I have no complaints. Our guys are happy with what we have.
Chelsea Building Products is a great place to work. We have a super quick and easy application process. You're just going to go to apply@chelsea.com and then apply through our website. We are currently accepting full-time and part-time employees.